Hi, Mike Lucido here again. On the last video, I told you that we would make some salad dressing dip, really good dip, and we're gonna make it in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. First, we're gonna need some sour cream. I like to use a little lemon, but not too much because it can break down the consistency so that you have a less thick sour cream. The main ingredient is going to be bouillon, but I like to use the granulated stuff because it tends to mix better. So with this small amount, we're just going to use 1 teaspoon. We'll also use a little bit of garlic. We'll also use some onion powder and a little bit of lemon. It just squirted in my eye. You can also use lemon pepper, and I'm going to use a little bit of it because pepper is good in it too. Just a little bit. Mix it all up. Now let's try it. That's a dip worth dipping your chips in. You want to make a salad dressing? Just add a little bit more lemon and a little bit of raw apple cider vinegar. I like Bragg's. Just a little bit goes a long way. Let's mix it up. What we have here is ranch dressing. Now, if it's too thick, you might want to add a little bit of water or a little more lemon. But basically, that's it. If you like these videos and you'd like to get notifications for the next ones that come out, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. And if you want to see all the rest of the videos, click on that little button to your left so you can see all the videos that I've made in the past year. Until then, talk with you later.